Let's make a fun front door sign for spring. Cut 2 strips each of Over the Rainbow and Rainbow Stripe vinyl from the March Mystery Box. Place 2 strips at the bottom of a painted roundwood sign and place 2 strips at the top. Fold the edges of the vinyl over onto the back of the sign and cut off the excess vinyl. Using the Hello Spring SVG, cut out the word spring in white vinyl and layer it onto a piece of flamingo vinyl. Place the vinyl onto the sign and burnish it with a scraper tool, and then remove the transfer tape. Cut out Hello in black vinyl and place it onto the sign above the word spring. Tie a piece of twine in a loop and adhere it to the back of the sign with hot glue. Now you have a fun front door sign for spring.